Hello, and welcome to this first case study, introductory case study in this course, Mastering Artificial Intelligence. So, in this introductory section, we've been talking to you about how can you become a successful AI engineer. And by the end of this lecture, you will learn about a challenging, realistic, and deeply insightful case study designed for you to, for those of you who want to become successful artificial intelligence engineers, AI engineers. So let's take a look at this. So here is a challenging, realistic, and deeply insightful case study designed for anyone who wants to become a successful artificial intelligence engineer. And this case captures both the technical and career strategy challenges while offering a structured, actionable solution. So let's dig deep into this case study. So this is a case study of the name masked, profile masked, masked names. The name here we will assume is like Raj Mehta, age around 27 years, uh, in terms of background in a BTech in computer science, with 4 years experience as a software developer in Python, Java, and SQL. And currently he is working as a backend developer at a fintech company. And his goal is to transition into an AI engineer role within 18 months to work on real world AI products like recommendation systems, chatbots, predictive analytics, etc., etc. So that's the struggle out of Raj from coder to AI engineer that we will talk about. So what is the challenge? Each of these case studies start with some kind of challenge. So what is the challenge here? So despite his strong programming background, Raj faces three major bottlenecks. Right. One was the technical confusion. He does not know which AI skills matter most. Is it machine learning? Is it deep learning? Is it NLP or is it MLOps? And he drowns in tutorials and books without a structured roadmap. Second is the application gap. He understands algorithm theoretically but cannot build deployable models. And he has no strong portfolio projects to show real problem solving capabilities. The third part of the challenge here, the third roadblock in this challenge is the career positioning problem. Recruiters see him as a generic software engineer, not an AI specialist, and he lacks LinkedIn visibility and network in the AI ecosystem. Remember where? In the AI ecosystem, not in the software domain. So let's take a look at this step by step insightful solution that he was able to develop and from which we will see what can we learn also. So first thing what he did was he redefined success through the AI engineer excellence triangles. Now Raj realizes that success in AI isn't just about maths or coding. It requires balance across three success pillars. Now what are these three success pillars? Let's take a look at it in a little bit of detail. So first pillar is the technical depth, where the focus is on algorithms, data structures, ML, DL, MLOps, and the kind of skills you need is Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Second pillar is applied problem solving, where the focus should be on real world business use cases. And some of the use cases, for example, would be like fraud detection, demand forecasting, chatbots. And the third pillar is professional branding, where focus will be on visibility, storytelling, and networking. And examples of those would be being, brand being available, being visible on LinkedIn, Kaggle, GitHub, and personal project. Now, the insight that he got from this learning was that AI excellence that we also get is AI excellence is skill depth into application experience into market visibility. So three factors multiplied by each other. And if you are weak in one, it just doesn't take you off anywhere, right? So you need to build all three to a certain level. The second thing what he did was he created a structured 12-month learning and application plan. What does this plan look like? So in the phase one, he focused on building the foundation in the first 3 months, where the focus was on core AI and ML concepts. And the key things that he did was he completed Andrew Ng's ML course plus learned NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. In next 3 months in the phase two with hands-on project, he did application learning. He applied his learnings to the projects and built three projects: spam classifier, movie recommender, and image classifier. In the next 3 months, in the third phase, he did domain specialization, where he deepened his expertise by choosing to focus on NLP for fintech, where he learned LLMs, transformers, and sentiment analysis. In next 2 months, in the phase four, he does deployment and ML ops, where his focus is end-to-end mastery. And there what he did was he deployed models with Fast API, ASW, Docker, CI/CD pipeline, etc. And the last month, which in the phase five, he started doing the career branding. And their focus was obviously on job readiness. And he optimized GitHub, wrote his LinkedIn post, published two Medium blogs on AI projects. And as a result of that, every technical milestone that must produce a visible artifact, you know, like a project, blog, or demo that signals credibility was done. And that is what is needed, that every technical stone must produce a visible effect, right? Whether it is a blog, project, or demo that can build trust. The third thing he did was he built a signature AI portfolio. Raj created a personal GitHub portfolio titled Applied AI for FinTech Solution, and that included things like credit card fraud detection for machine learning, customer churn prediction using XGBoost, and financial sentiment analysis using LLMs, and as well as AI chatbot for customer queries using RAG-based systems. And the result was the recruiters instantly saw domain relevance and technical proof of what he was saying. So then in step four, he leveraged the AI visibility flywheel. Raj followed a three-step visibility system. He showed his learnings in weekly LinkedIn post on what he learns in AI, what he learned in AI, showed results, shared project demos, GitHub links, short explainers, and he started engaging with experts by commenting on AI leaders' posts, joined Kaggle and Discord AI groups, and within 4 months, his profile started attracting AI recruiters and startup founders. And the learning there is that consistent public learning expert signals expertise faster than certification. So you need certifications, but what you can show publicly, that works faster and better. The fifth thing that he did was he executed the transition smartly. Raj stopped applying for AI engineer jobs directly and instead started using strategic bridging roles. He was a software developer, and the bridging roles that he used was data engineer for AI pipelines, ML engineer using Python analytics, and AI developer NLP focus. And as a result of that, he lands a machine learning engineer's role at a fintech startup where he works on an AI-based risk scoring model. So that's the successful execution of the transition happened that done smart. So what were the results after 15 months? Raj built five deployable AI projects, 8,000 plus LinkedIn followers in two blog publications happened. He switched career to AI engineer with a 65% salary increase from the job that he had got and becomes a mentor for other developer transitioning to AI. So those were the results after 15 months. So what are the key insights for learners like you and me? First, don't chase AI hype. Chase applied mastery. Get after the applied mastery of the subject. Real success comes from solving domain problems, not memorizing algorithms. Second, deploy or die. If it is not deployed, it is not AI engineering. It is just lab experiment. So it need to deploy. Then Third learning is portfolio beat certification. Showcasing what you have built outweighed what you have completed, right? And visibility compounds credibility. So you need to share your AI journey publicly. Learning in public is career acceleration. And the final thing that we can see as a learning is that AI success depends on first start with learn, then build, then deploy, then share, and then repeat. So that's how you can become an AI engineer. So what do we do next now? So in the next one, we will look at an overview of how to become an AI engineer. You become after becoming a master in AI, and that's what we will take you through in the next section in few lectures. So thank you so much for watching this introductory case study in this course, Master in Artificial Intelligence. I hope you beginning to learn new things, beginning to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.